I'm Jason.
And I'm Caesar.
And we're excited to be here today to talk to you about thread identification process. For the last O-ring measurement, we're going to be taking a look at this one. Now this one happens to be that flange that we were talking about. There's different styles of flanges based on their sizes. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a set of digital calipers. This is the easiest way to do that, and take a measurement of the flange outside diameter, or the flange OD. So you zero your calipers and then take a measurement of the outside diameter. Now this one happens to be 1.188 inches in outside diameter. Taking a look at either the catalog or the wall chart, there's only one of them that has a measurement of 1.188, and that matches up with a -8. This telling you that this is an 8FL. So between the catalog, the plug and cap kit, or the thread ID kit, you can become an expert in thread identification. For more information or additional training, contact your Gates Hydraulics sales rep today.
Hello friends, my name is Ahuja. My company, Hydraulics and Pneumatics, part of Ahuja Group, is the authorized dealer for Gates hydraulic hoses. We have a state-of-the-art plant for manufacturing fittings and crimping hoses with Uniflex Germany machines, and every hose is tested before it is dispatched. We look forward to working with you. Thank you.